So far you have seen how to create Jenkins job and how to run the Playwright test from the Jenkins. In this video I will discuss how to attach the Playwright-test report into the Jenkins job after completing the test case execution. So if you look at this VS Code, after running the test, so we will be having all the test results under the Playwright-report folder. So we will see how to attach the Playwright-report into the Jenkins job after completing the test cases execution. So it is very easy and simple. So let's open the job which we have created it, Playwright with Jenkins demo. Click on configure. On the left side you can click on the post build actions. So let's select the archive the artifacts. So simply you need to provide the path here. So if you see here, so this folder is exist under the project root folder, Playwright-report. And under that we have the multiple folders, like we have the HTML file and also we have the data and trace folders. So let's attach all these folders by using the path called Playwright-report slash. So here I'm specifying the 2 stars so that whatever the files are present inside the Playwright-report, so all the files will be zipped into the single folder. So that's it guys. So this is how you can add the artifacts into the Jenkins job. So let's apply and save it. So let's run the job again. So let's click on the second job. It started cloning the GitHub repository firstly, then it will start installing all the dependencies. Then it started executing the tests. So we have the total 3 tests and all the 3 test cases are running parallelly by using the 3 workers. So one test case is getting failed if you see here. So which is the expected failure. So it will take some time and also it is going to retry for one time because we are running the test from the pipeline. So again this configuration is not mandatory, you can make it as 0. So if you look at here, so our build is failure. So this is the expected result. And also here you can see that archiving the artifacts, right? So one test case is failing and 2 are passing, which is the expected test result. Now let's go to the job. That is the second job. And if you see here, so here you are able to see the build artifacts, right? Click on this build artifacts. And here you can see the Playwright-report file in the zip format. Simply click on this all files in zip. So which will download you the Playwright-test report. So let's go to this particular location. So this is in the zip format. Let's unzip it and open the HTML report. So if you see here guys, so we have total test is 3, 2 are passing and 1 is getting failed. So you can go to any of the test case. So you can see all the logs here, then screenshot, and here you can see the trace information also, right? So this is how you can attach the Playwright-report into the Jenkins job.